Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Let's look at an assertion-reason question. Two statements are given, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Myopic eye cannot see distant objects distinctly. Reason R. For the correction of myopia, converging lenses are prescribed. Let's check the options. Option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation. Option B. Both are true, but reason is not the correct explanation. Option C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Option D. Assertion is false, but reason is true. Which is correct? Let's analyze this concept step by step. Look at the diagram of an eye with myopia. In a myopic eye, light from distant objects gets focused in front of the retina. Let's check assertion A. Because the image forms before the retina, distant objects appear blurry. This matches our assertion perfectly. Therefore, assertion A is true. Now let's check reason R. To correct this defect, we need to diverge the incoming light rays. So, a concave or diverging lens is placed in front of the eye. The reason wrongly claims that converging lenses are used. So it is false. What is our final conclusion? Assertion A is true, but reason R is false. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Now please select the correct option above. Great! We have solved this perfectly. Happy learning!